Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing review of Pediclear. It's a foot callus remover and they say it works in just 2 minutes. So it comes with roller head cover and 2 rotating head mineral rollers along with it and a cleaning brush. So let's see what does the box say. Pediclear, it can be used on wet or dry skin and it's battery operated. So you can actually use it in the shower because you don't need to plug it in and there is no fear of electricity or anything like that. It's completely portable. It comes with 2 roller heads and it's waterproof. The box says it is pedicure in the palm of your hand and it seems very exciting to me. So let's open it and check this out. Okay, so this is what the insides of the box look like. There is this little booklet. Let's see what it is. So it's a user manual and it pretty much explains everything about the product. As you can see, there is an introduction. It shows how to change your roller head. It shows it has all the warning and important instructions that you need to know. Because it's a battery operated device, it's good if you go through the instructor manual to know how to use it. And it looks pretty simple. So let's just keep it in the side and see how the actual product looks like. This is the actual product and it looks quite pretty very portable and it's pretty light also to carry. So this is how it works. Okay. So these are the 2 mineral rollers that I was talking to you about. One is this and this is the other one. And each one of them is expected to last approximately 6 months. So pretty much if you buy this box, it will last you for 1.5 years. How great is that? And there is a cleaning brush which you can, I think, clean the dirt after you're done using it, I guess. So, I'll show you how to put the batteries in or how to take it out. So this says open, if you can see in the end. So just twist, take this thing out very easily. There are 2 AA batteries that you can put inside. It's very simple. It even shows the plus and minus sign, how the battery needs to go inside. This is how it needs to go. Okay. And twist it back. And you're ready to do your pediclear. So I'll just show you how it works. I'll show you on my hand how its usage is. Okay. So it's very soft and smooth on the skin. And if you apply extra pressure, so it just stops. It doesn't really hurt your skin. So that's, I think, one of the great features. I can't wait to try it on my feet. I'm just going to do it in 2 seconds. So I'm going to keep this on the side. I'm going to show you. See, my feet has a lot of these cracks and it's quite dirty. I've just come back from work. And it looks little there is cracked skin, there is dust on my feet. And actually my feet are in dire need of a pedicure. So let's see how does this work. Now when you're using it, make sure that you cover all areas of the foot, okay? Now as you can see, I'll tap it also to show you. See how the dust is coming off from my feet. Immediately. This is the dead skin that was on your feet just now. So I think it's pretty cool. I'll just dab it one more time and see what happens. So I see a lot of dead skin has come out of my feet right now. Let's do it completely. I'm gonna focus more on the heel area because that's the one that has the maximum cracks, okay? I think my feet looks pretty clean, I think. The cool part about this is, let me dab one more time, okay? See, a lot of dead skin has come out and a lot of dust has come out and I really like it. Now Pediclear also comes with 100% money back guarantee, and in case you don't like it, and that's not going to happen, I can tell you, then you can return it back. It's as simple as that. And what's the big deal? You can always try it out. And they also have so you can not only get a full refund but no questions asked. So I think it's a good thing to try it out. I'll just do the last finishing touch. And I think we're pretty much done here. So see, that's a lot of dust and my feet looks quite clean. And I don't have to go to a spa or a salon and spend my time or just wait for somebody to do it for me. So I just love the freedom of getting a pedicure at your footstep, at your home. So I'm just gonna clean it with a wet wipe. Showing you all of this live to tell you it's amazing. This product is quite killer. Okay, so I'm done. I've just wiped my feet also. Can you tell the difference? I'm sure you can make out. When we started, my feet looked really bad, and so you know why this wipe thing is showing? I'm using a makeup removal wipe, so it's kind of little sticky like that. But you can use a normal wet wipe, so that should do. The feet look smoother, you can check it out. And we just got done in exactly say 2-3 minutes, and that's the cool part. So what are you waiting for? Just go and grab your Pediclear today.